Well, Matt Jackson, here we are, brother. Are you ready?
Yeah. Today's a little special.
Well, we're special.
You are my friend. You are special.
There goes Martin on a test run.
Yeah.
It's third Saturday, brother.
Yeah, and it's a little special because
HB19 makes his debut.
right, we're gonna
he? I don't know.
What do you guys think?
HB19's making his debut, but you know how things go. I mean, everything. We first had to go. We're going to take it to go put gas in it, and we ran out of gas.
Yeah.
Here in the shop.
Yeah.
It just was bone dry. So we got that gone, got full of gas, and then it's like miss, all running fine. And it's all miss, and you guys be careful with those new plug wires.
Yeah, they're pretty cheap.
With the molded on things. If you don't push them all the way in, it's gonna pop right back off because you're used to the way it seals on the tin. That didn't happen.
Yeah.
So we get that squared away. Then
a distributor. It's kind of, it's a Volkswagen.
So we swap out the 40, the big cap 40 horse, and Martin's taking it for a test spin right now, and we're good to go.
Yeah. So I'm excited.
Oh, I am.
And
very
you're coming
excited.
with us. Cue the music. Let's hit Top 9.
Let's go. Third Saturday.
What do you think of the Harvest Beetle?
I can't wait to own it. It's gonna be mine one day. That is a nice car. Beautiful car. It's built exactly how it should be built. It's perfect.
This is Jason. He has a YouTube channel. I'll put a link below, and you can check out his stuff.
Matt Jackson.
Hey, how's it going?
Well, been a good night here at the old Top Notch third Saturday, huh?
Yeah, the car made it.
Yes, always good. We made it here, and now we got to just make it back. But it's nice and cool now. But it ran great.
Yeah, ran great.
Martin shifted it well for Martin, so that's always
No misgears.
no misgears. That's always a good thing. But it's been a good night hanging out with folks here at Top Notch. We always have a good time, and the food here is great, and we're just so fortunate to have such a cool place to hang out.
Yeah, we hope you guys are kind of doing the same thing, you know, just kind of hanging out tonight, and that's what it's all about. Meeting up and having
Yes,
fun.
indeed. So let's talk about that subscription thing. When we ask you guys to subscribe, Matt Jackson, you're not going to get a bunch of junk email.
No, you don't get
or
anything in the
spam.
mail.
You're not getting anything in the mail. It's not. You're not joining Columbia House.
No,
that's
no,
not okay. So,
no.
but what it's so cool is if you hit the subscribe button and all you get is like when we release an episode, it goes ding.
Yep.
Hey, guess what? VW Life has released. That's all you get. So do that. Subscribe. It's just it's easy peasy, and it makes it easier on you guys.
Yep.
And we appreciate it.
Yeah, we do. It helps the channel.
That's right, and the whole VW community, because that's what we're here for. We're here to help you guys.
Yep.
All right, so thank you all so much for tonight.
Yeah, thanks for watching, and as always, take it easy.
We'll see you soon.